weekends, a time for rest, a time for fun. But for many homeowners, it's a time ruled by the lawnmower. The endless cycle of mowing, edging, and weeding can feel like a chore, stealing precious hours from relaxation and enjoyment. It's a battle against nature, where the grass always seems to have the upper hand. But what if there was a way to win the war without sacrificing your precious free time? The traditional lawn, while aesthetically pleasing, demands a surprising amount of attention. It's a thirsty ground cover, requiring constant watering, especially in warmer climates. Fertilizers and weed killers become necessary evils, adding chemical burdens to the environment and our wallets. The quest for that perfect, uniform green can become an obsession, consuming time, money, and energy. There's a growing awareness that perhaps there's a better way, a more sustainable and enjoyable approach to our outdoor spaces. One of our staff would be happy to talk to you and answer any questions you have. Weeds, the bane of every gardener's existence, seem to possess an uncanny ability to sprout in the most inconvenient of places. Dandelions, crabgrass, clover, these unwelcome guests compete with our lawns for nutrients, sunlight, and space. They mock our efforts with their resilience, popping up faster than we can eradicate them. This constant battle against nature's invaders can feel like a losing proposition. Then there's the issue of water, or rather, the lack thereof. Drought conditions are becoming increasingly common, forcing us to reconsider our water usage. Lawns, those thirsty expanses of green, bear the brunt of water restrictions. Brown patches emerge, detracting from the once pristine appearance. The guilt of wasting precious water weighs heavily on our minds. We yearn for a solution that is both aesthetically pleasing and environmentally responsible. If you want to know more, call one of our staff here at Turf King, and we can answer any questions you might have. Enter artificial grass, a modern solution to an age-old dilemma. Imagine a lawn that requires no mowing, no watering, and no weeding. A lawn that maintains its lush green appearance year-round, regardless of the weather. This is the promise of artificial turf, a low-maintenance alternative that is rapidly gaining popularity among homeowners seeking a hassle-free outdoor space. Gone are the days of battling weeds and pushing heavy lawnmowers. Artificial grass provides a pristine, even surface that remains vibrant green, even in the harshest conditions. It's a pet-friendly option too, with excellent drainage capabilities that prevent muddy paws and unpleasant odors. Children can play freely without the worry of grass stains or allergies. Artificial grass offers a safe, clean, and beautiful outdoor environment for the whole family. The benefits of artificial grass extend beyond mere convenience. It's an environmentally sound choice that conserves water and reduces chemical use. With no need for mowing, harmful emissions from gas-powered lawnmowers are eliminated, contributing to cleaner air. Furthermore, artificial turf is incredibly durable, able to withstand heavy foot traffic and harsh weather conditions without fading or deteriorating. This durability translates into long-term cost savings. The initial investment in artificial grass is offset by the elimination of ongoing expenses associated with traditional lawns, such as water bills, fertilizers, and lawn care services. Over time, artificial turf proves to be a cost-effective alternative that pays for itself while enhancing your property value. It's an investment in a greener future, both for your wallet and the environment. The appeal of artificial grass lies in its ability to transform outdoor spaces into low-maintenance havens. Imagine relaxing on your patio, sipping a cool drink, and enjoying the view of your perfectly manicured lawn without ever having to lift a finger. Artificial turf frees up your weekends, allowing you to spend more time doing the things you love. Whether you're looking to create a putting green, a children's play area, or simply a beautiful and functional outdoor space, artificial grass offers endless possibilities. It's a versatile solution that can be customized to fit any size or shape of lawn, seamlessly blending with existing landscaping. With artificial grass, you can enjoy the beauty of a lush green lawn without the hassle and expense of traditional maintenance. If you're tired of the never-ending battle with your lawn, consider making the switch to artificial grass. It's a decision you won't regret. Contact Turf King to discuss your needs and explore the wide range of options available. From choosing the perfect blade height and color to ensuring proper installation, a professional can guide you through every step of the process. With a little planning and expert assistance, you can transform your outdoor space into a low-maintenance paradise that you can enjoy year-round. Say goodbye to lawn drama and hello to a greener, more sustainable future. Call Turf King today, and one of our staff would be happy to talk to you.